Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to the device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Archer C2 Wi-Fi Repeater. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link Archer C2 Wi-Fi Repeater is a device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the repeater box. Inside the TP-Link Archer C2 Wi-Fi Repeater, you get powerful dual-band antennas, a Wi-Fi signal booster system, and a smart chipset that helps extend and stabilize your wireless coverage. It also includes Ethernet ports for wired connections and internal amplifiers that improve signal strength and speed. Connect to the Archer C2. Option 1 is using cable. Power on the Archer C2. Connect your PC/laptop to LAN port of Archer C2 using an Ethernet cable. Option 2 is using Wi-Fi. Turn on Archer C2. Connect to its default Wi-Fi name TP-Link_XXXX. Open a browser, Chrome/Edge. Type this in address bar 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net. Enter login details. Username and password is admin, or the password you set earlier. Go to operation mode from left menu. Select range extender mode/repeater mode/universal repeater mode, depending on version. Click save and wait for the router to reboot. Now go to wireless and then connect to network. Click scan. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your main Wi-Fi password. Click save. Go to wireless and then wireless settings. Set a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, or keep the same as your main Wi-Fi. Example, main Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi. Extended Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi_EXT. Keep security type WPA/WPA2 PSK. Set the same password as your main Wi-Fi, recommended. Click save. Now setup is complete. Your TP-Link Archer C2 is now working as a Wi-Fi repeater/extender. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for more updates.